Oh my goodness. Well, I ain't gonna go near you, honey. No, what are you doing there? You hungry? That's my bird feeder, dear. Oh, there's some on the ground. Oh, you're beautiful. Yep, I have to take it down now for a while. I'm sorry we took your land away from you. I'm so sorry, honey. We're so sorry we took your land. This land belongs to you. Yeah. Oh, you pretty bear. Oh, you're pretty. You better go, though. We don't want to get you in trouble. Go back to your house. It's okay, honey. No one's gonna hurt you, dear. Nobody's gonna hurt you.